In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively switch back and forth from tasks. If you ever find yourself juggling multiple items and need a quick, reliable way to move between them, without losing context, this walkthrough will show you the simplest method right inside ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your account. Give the workspace a moment to load so all your spaces, folders, and lists are fully available. From there, navigate to the exact area where your tasks live, whether that's a list view, a board view, or your Assigned to Me page. The goal is to begin from the place where you can clearly see the tasks you plan to hop between. Next, click on a specific task to open it. The task will expand to fill the screen, showing you its details like description, comments, subtasks, and attachments. Take a quick look to confirm you're in the right task. If you make a note or add a comment, pause for a moment and let ClickUp autosave. You'll often see a small saving indicator. Waiting for that confirmation helps ensure your updates aren't lost when you move away. Now, to switch back and forth, focus on the top left corner of the task window. You'll see a small arrow, typically pointing left or down depending on your layout. Click that arrow. This takes you right back to the previous view you came from, usually your list or board with all the tasks visible. The beauty of using this arrow is that it preserves your place. You'll land exactly where you were, so you can immediately select the next task you want to review. Open the next task by clicking it, review or update what you need, then use that same top left arrow again to return to your task list. Repeat this simple loop as often as you need. Open a task, make your changes, click the top left arrow to go back, and select the next task. It's the fastest way to bounce between items without opening multiple tabs or losing your spot. If the arrow isn't immediately visible, try widening your window or ensuring you're in the full task view rather than a quick preview. On the desktop app and in most browsers, the arrow stays in the same place, so once you find it, muscle memory takes over. And remember, letting changes autosave before you click away prevents any accidental data loss. That's all there is to it. Open ClickUp, open a task, and use the top left arrow to switch back and forth efficiently.